Hello dear cross-stitchers, I'm Katerina, Ukrainian cross-stitch designer, crafter and addicted cross-stitcher. Thank you that you watched this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please make me happy and do this right now. You know, I was planning to start Flosstube 3 or even 5 months ago, but there is a terrible war in our country and I had to leave my house. Now I am staying in Croatia with my daughter. Here we for 5 months. To start, before I had no forces. Now I am doing a lot of meditation, positive thinking, yoga, so I return calmness to my soul, and I want to share with you what I am creating, my plans, and maybe some of my previous works. First, I want to start with the Halloween ornament. I cross-stitch boo, you see, and then cut and filled and sew velvet ribbons so they were very cute, and decorate off one of my shelves. I really love and proud of this project. As you see, letter B is decorated with beads. O is made as a ghost in the night, and I make some French note with the YDMC as stars. And the eyes on the pumpkins is also decorated with beads. Nowadays this pattern is very popular at my Etsy shop, and if you also would like to order, the link you can find in the description to this video. And the second one, I made a small Halloween kitten that I made as a bookmark. By the way, if you don't know, I have a Patreon community where every month I organize stitch along activity. Every week the members of community get new patterns and suggested how to create them. And this kitten is also made as the first release of Halloween kittens. On my channel you can find video tutorial how I made the bookmark. Just follow this link. I really like it so much, and it's also a gift to one of my patrons. Now I always think of what to create something special to make a cross-stitch some sort of real art. I have an idea that cross-stitch should be not boring but very exciting, and you don't need to catch inspiration, just take needles and start stitching. Otherwise, I want everyone has such a feeling that can't stop stitching and desire to complete as fast as possible and start new project. To realize these ideas, I created special pumpkin activities, and I want to show you now the first release of it. The sale is beginning on 27th of October, but I am preparing in advance to have a tutorial for my members of Stitching Along community. So look, it's so cute little pumpkin. I cross-stitched to Aida 16, just made all the crosses, then I made small flowers, and then I made blue one in the center, and after they decorated with beads. So I made the 4 patterns in this style, and I'll be happy to see you in our Stitching Sale community. The link for my Patreon is in the description. Please follow. By the way, I'd like to know what do you cross-stitch for Halloween. So you can just now stop this video and write what you are preparing. And now I want to show you one of my dearest favorite Christmas tree decoration. And this is Christmas gnome. It is made on felt, and I'm waiting for Christmas to decorate tree. Unfortunately, this year it will be not large as I used to, but anyway it will be small one. I have the collection of such gnomes. They are very cute, and I made 5 or 6 of them previous year, and all of them I gifted to my friends. They were deeply impressed and surprised. And one of my friends who can't do anything with the needles and flowers said, "Oh my god, it's gorgeous, it's the best tree decoration I've ever had." And the next project I'm also really proud because he's so nice. It's a little mouse. Look at it. The mustaches makes him charming. And Fortunately, I didn't have time to frame it. I love the dotted Aida. White dots are like snowflakes, very wintry. I know that lots of you are creating letters monograms, and I'm creating Christmas special letters. The whole alphabet will be like A and B you see on the screen. I hope I have enough time to complete the whole alphabet till Christmas. And now I want to announce the giveaway. I want to give one of you this pattern of small Christmas truck. Just write down in the comments, I want to get Christmas truck, and in the next video I will tell you who are the winner and get this PDF pattern. And it's all for now. Thank you that you watched this video. Please put like, subscribe to my channel, because you always get fresh ideas for your creative life. Bye for now. Happy stitching!